Hello everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here. Today I'm dressed in my winnings and surrounded by my winnings for my third place showing in Miss Bling's fashion attire contest. So this is what I bought with my winnings, Miss Bling. Don't I look handsome? It's a shirt. It says welcome to the jungle. It's gonna be my vacation shirt. It's a button-up. And then I also have a new harness to wear with my leash that's lighter weight for the summer months. And then I have some treats here. One of them is a rawhide chew that's made of chicken and peanut butter. Interesting combination, but I really enjoy it. The other ones are cookies, and they're made of carob, not chocolate. But it makes me think I get to eat chocolate, and it's delicious. So thank you so much for my third prize winnings, Miss Bling. All right, so for today's Monday meal, my mom made a slow cooker lasagna. And of course, she did some substitutions and changed some things based on what the review said. And of course, this is an All Recipes app recipe. So we're going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below. But this one is so easy, like the easiest way to make a lasagna. So great. You don't have to pre-cook the noodles. It's awesome. And she was able to find some gluten-free lasagna noodles and some non-dairy cheese, and it looks and smells delicious. I might have gotten some cheese that she dropped on the floor. So it's all good. But that's our Monday meal for today, a slow cooker lasagna. And thanks again, Miss Bling, for your fashion contest and for my prizes, which my mommy bought for me and my human sister. And I'm really enjoying them. Oh, if you guys like this video, make sure and give it a thumbs up. And then also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, everyone. As Yoda said, today's Monday meal is a slow cooker lasagna. We've got our slow cooker on low. This is our first layer of stuff. We've got the meat layer, double layer of noodles, which we're using the oven-ready Barilla gluten-free lasagna noodles. And you have to put a double layer in there and break them up to fit your slow cooker. So we've got that, and then a layer of the cheese mixture. So the cheese mixture is half a cup of Parmesan. We're using Follow Your Heart dairy-free. Then we're supposed to have cottage cheese, but I don't ever have that, so I'm using cream cheese, BioLife vegan cream cheese, and then 16 ounces or 2 cups of mozzarella shreds. I'm using So Delicious dairy-free. And then one of the reviewers said to use an egg in there to make it easier to spread. I also put it, so I'm using my Just Egg made from plants since I'm allergic to egg. But I also put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds to help it spread easier. So let me show you what's in the meat mixture. This is the first layer. So it has 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. It has about 32 ounces. I use spaghetti sauce instead of doing the sauce that you make that was in the recipe because it seemed bland and people didn't like it and we're having to add all kinds of stuff to it. So I just used an already made spaghetti sauce, and then a cup of chopped frozen onion, and that cooked with a pound of ground deer meat. So that is what's in the meat mixture. So I'm going to keep layering until I run out of ingredients, and then I'll show you what it looks like before we put the lid on. All right, I got all my layers in there. I was able to do 3, so with my ingredients. So we're going to put the lid on. It's on low. 4 to 6 hours. I'll show you the finished product. Okay, it's been 4 hours, and it is done on low. The noodles are done. Our slow cooker lasagna is done, and it looks and smells delicious. Hope you guys give it a try. Happy Monday.